Such a fine line, right?
Fuck you!
A pretty good backup time, as best as a 48.1, a 48.8 right there. I think this is the best full toss in the football season. Absolutely, maybe like these conditions. Freddie Norton makes another run.
Fuck you, bitch.
Solid pass. It was, you see, he got into him. He was a little hesitant in getting into the pace, but kind of built speed up. I think that the inside and the outside, both going to be viable options. Guys, it really just depends on the speed.
Fuck you, bitch. Oh my god, dude. Fucking finally. This thing's absolutely just fucking wrecked. My god. Look at this. Holy fuck, bud. Fuck you. Get wrecked, bud. Well, looks like I need some washers.